Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Nay from Nay's Crafty World, and today we're unboxing my notebook therapy order. This is my first time ordering from them, so I am very excited. I decided to use one of their journals for my 2024 bullet journal, and you can't just order a notebook from Notebook Therapy and not get some of their washi tape sets too. So in today's video, I will be giving you my first impressions on the notebook as well as the washi tape. Here is the thank you card that you get in the box. And now let's take a look at my order. For the washi tape, I ordered the Moonlit Alchemy washi tape set. I thought it looked very magical and witchy, which is definitely one of my favorite kinds of themes to create. Inside there are these sticker sheets with flowers, butterflies, and mushroom designs, as well as beautiful rose gold metallic designs. There are 7 washi rolls in the set with purple, black, brown, and gold designs. The main theme being the moon in different phases, the sun, and also some vintage elements. The bullet journal is the Moonlit Whisper of the Lunar Mystery collection. Unfortunately, the box got damaged during shipping, but luckily everything inside is perfectly fine. Now, you might not be able to see my face, but trust me, it has the biggest smile on it. I've wanted one of these journals for so long, and I'm so happy to finally be able to try one out. This is their original size with 128 pages. It has this beautiful rose gold detailing of the moon phases on the cover, and on the spine there are these little stars. The book has a soft velvet cover and rose gold metallic etched page edges. On the inside there is a name page with a minimal design and a picture to match the outside of the journal. The pages are 160 GSM paper and they feel like such good quality. The pages are smooth and of course dot grid design for bullet journaling. At the back there is a pocket, and inside is the moon design paper clip to go with the theme of the journal. If you've used a notebook therapy book before, what do you usually do with your paper clip? Do you use it in your journal or in a book you're reading as a bookmark? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'm very excited to be using this notebook therapy journal as my bullet journal for 2024. I will be setting up my journal for next year very soon, so if you'd like to see that setup, hit the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified. And as always, I hope you have a very crafty day. Goodbye for now.